In the world of hospitality, let's be honest, getting reservations right isn't just important, it is absolutely everything. Today, we're going to explore how artificial intelligence is completely rewriting the rules for this critical first step in every single guest journey. Hello, and a very warm welcome, especially to all the students from Europe Hotel School joining us. This session is all about giving you a real, practical look at the AI-powered tools that are already shaping the future of our industry. And we're going to start right at the heart of it all, hotel operations. To really understand where AI is taking us, we first have to appreciate the bedrock of all hotel operations. And that is, of course, the reservation system. Think of reservation systems as the absolute engine of a hotel. They do so much more than just manage bookings. They literally dictate the workflow for the front office, they drive revenue, and they create that all-important first impression with a guest. To put it simply, getting this right is completely non-negotiable. For decades, the personal touch was king. That warm greeting, a direct conversation, it was everything. But behind that smile, the traditional manual process has always been hiding some pretty significant risks. We're talking about costly booking errors, crippling slowdowns during peak hours, and, let's face it, inconsistent service from one agent to the next. So here's the million-dollar question. How do you solve for human error without losing that essential human touch? Well, the answer is artificial intelligence. And it's not just tweaking the system, it's rebuilding this foundation from the ground up. And look, AI isn't some far-off futuristic concept. It's a very practical solution that's being used in hotels right now. It directly takes on those classic challenges by dramatically boosting accuracy, almost eliminating human error, and giving your frontline staff intelligent, real-time support. So how does AI actually achieve this level of precision? Well, it's not magic. It's just very, very smart mechanics. The system instantly validates every single booking detail. It cross-checks real-time availability across all of your channels, your website, OTAs like Expedia, your call centers, all at the same time. It even applies complex pricing rules automatically. And the result? Those costly nightmares like double bookings, they pretty much become a thing of the past. All right, so with that foundation of accuracy firmly in place, let's dive into the three core advantages that AI really brings to the modern reservation desk: automation, smart recommendations, and what I like to call total data integration.
First up is automation. Just picture this workflow for a second. A request comes in from any channel you can think of. The AI validates every detail in a split second, and then the correct confirmation or modification is processed automatically. No human hands needed for those routine tasks. This immediately frees up your team to focus on more valuable, guest-facing work.
But AI is so much more than just an automator. It's also an intelligent assistant. And this brings us to its second major advantage. It actually improves an agent's ability to make smart, profitable decisions, right there in the moment. Here's how that works in the real world. Based on live data, the AI can suggest the perfect alternative room if a guest's first choice is taken. It can propose the best rate plan or even prompt an agent with the ideal upsell opportunity, like a late checkout or a breakfast package. These are data-driven recommendations that create a win-win for both the guest and the hotel's bottom line.
The third advantage is just incredibly powerful. It's data integration. Guest information used to be scattered all over the place. Well, AI brings it all together. Profiles, loyalty status, past stays, personal preferences into one single easy-to-use view. This empowers your agents to stop wasting time searching for information and start delivering that truly personalized, memorable service.
Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. It might sound like technology is taking over, right? But that could not be further from the truth. The single most important thing to understand is how this technology empowers hospitality professionals rather than replacing them. This slide shows the evolution of an agent's role perfectly. Before AI, so much of their day was eaten up by repetitive admin work. With AI support, that focus shifts completely to high-value tasks: personalized communication, solving complex problems, and building real relationships with guests. They basically transform from data entry clerks into what I'd call guest experience architects. And this quote just captures that partnership perfectly. AI serves as a support tool, not a replacement. It provides the data, it provides the automation, but the final, nuanced decisions are always left in the hands of trained professionals. So, this brings us to the most important question of all. Where is that human judgment absolutely irreplaceable? Well, it's in handling that one-of-a-kind booking, managing a truly special guest request, navigating an emotionally charged situation, or finding a creative solution when the system just can't. This is where your expertise truly, truly shines. Okay, so let's bring all of this together. Let's take a look at what this all means for the future of reservations and, more importantly, what it means for your future careers in this incredibly dynamic industry. If there's one key takeaway, it's this. The goal is never to automate hospitality, it's to enhance it. By integrating AI in a thoughtful way, we gain incredible efficiency and accuracy, which in turn allows us to double down on the one thing that truly defines our industry, that essential human connection.
And that leaves us with one final question, something for you to really consider as you move forward in your studies and careers. We know that technology will continue to master administrative tasks with more and more sophistication. So the challenge, and frankly the incredible opportunity for you, is to decide, how will you master the art of the human experience?